We're at the electric motor plant in Bad Neustadt, a Siemens site in northern Bavaria. Here we produce around 600,000 motors and drives per year.
Motoren und Antriebe im Jahr.
The cell consists of a machine tool and a robotic system for loading and unloading the machine tool. Bearing shields and flanges made of die-cast aluminum are machined in this cell.
Aluminiumdruckguss bearbeitet. Wir nutzen die App Protect My Machine.
We use the Protect My Machine Setup app to analyze components and correctly insert them into the machine tool. This prevents collisions in the machine tool and consequential damage.
Eine weitere App, die wir in dieser Zelle
Another app we use on the machine tool in this cell is Analyze My Workpiece Monitor. With this application, we monitor the process quality in the machine tool, detect anomalies, and instruct the robot to separate the workpiece, for example.
Teil zu separieren. Der Nutzen von der Applikation.
On the one hand, the Analyze My Workpiece Monitor application saves costs due to reduced manual effort.
Aufwand. Zum anderen.
On the other hand, it also helps improve the process as we generate less scrap. Whenever the machine detects an anomaly of the component, it stops.
Eine Anomalie, ein Fehler an dem Bauteil detektiert wird.
Prior to the introduction of these edge applications, we had to check the quality manually.
Und zusätzlich konnten wir nicht erkennen, dass
Neither were we able to detect pieces that have been inserted incorrectly. The Protect My Machine Setup and Analyze My Workpiece Monitor apps support the operator and ensure the machine runs smoothly and doesn't produce any scrap.
produziert und er beruhigt an anderen Anlagen weiterarbeiten kann. Als Fazit kann man sagen, die
All in all, the implementation was very easy, and we're already planning to roll out these applications to other machines as well.